Hi guys, this is Usman and welcome back to another tutorial series. In this series we are going to do the PHP programming and we'll see its basics, and then we will jump into advanced topics. And today our agenda is to set up environment for development. So let's get started. Before downloading any software, let me introduce you about what is PHP. PHP is a scripting language. It is a server-side language. And what does mean that it is a scripting language? It means it execute on runtime. No compilation is required. That's why it's awesome. So about the learning curve, if you compare the PHP with ASP.NET and Java, then PHP is easy to learn, and that's why it's very common in software development. And another reason is it's open source. So let's start with downloading the software for setup. So for the servers, I do prefer the XAMPP because it's lighter in weight and you can choose what you need to install, as I already have MySQL installed on my system, so I don't need MySQL, I just need Apache server. So let's just download the, let me search for XAMPP download. There it is. I will download for the Windows, so I will prefer to download this one as I already have downloaded. I don't need another one, so I just already have downloaded and installed into my system. And let me launch that one. XAMPP control panel, there it is, and it's running on 4433 for HTTPS, and for HTTP it's running on 8083. Guys, it does usually happens that if you are running multiple development environments on your system, so your common ports get reserved. Like I already have reserved the 80 port and the 8080 port. So what I did, that if you also face that issue, so just go to the Apache httpd.config file and search for 80. Here it is, and there you will see the 80. So I changed the 80 to 8083 so that our Apache server run on that port. So what does that mean is, if I open localhost and go for 8083, so I have the Apache server up and running, and I also have paste one hello file here on my first folder. So that's it, it's up and running. And another thing about the directory structure of XAMPP, if you go to your installation directory and you find your I have installed on C, on root of the C drive, I have C, then XAMPP, there it is. This is how the directory structure look like, and your websites which are not on SSL will be reside on htdocs folder right here, and here it is. I have pasted my hello file here inside a first folder, so that's why I have accessing this folder right here, localhost 8083/first, and I don't need to find the index.php because index get find automatically on the path. Here it is, no difference between this and this. So that's it. That's how it is, very simple. Just install your XAMPP and start it. That's it. In next episode we will see how PHP works, how to write a simple PHP file so that we can see on the browser. So that's it. Bye bye.